Next question we are going to discuss is, show that the signum function f from R to R given by f of x is equal to, see here function is defined 1 if x is greater than 0, 0 if x is equal to 0, minus 1 if x is less than 0. This function we have to show that it is neither 1 1 nor onto function. Now see here, see the question itself. In this function x greater than 0, x greater than 0 means x is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 goes on, keep on going. For all these number the value is equal to 1, that is f of 1 is equal to 1, f of 5 is equal to 1, f of 7 is equal to 1. For all the values it is 1 only. Similarly, for f of 0, when x is equal to 0, the answer is 0 only. Now, for f of negative numbers, when x is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, when it keeps on going, for negative values, all the values are minus 1 only. All the values are minus 1 only. See here, f of 5 is equal to minus 1. Now see here, let us go for mapping here. Now given is, this is also R, that is also R, that is domain, codomain. Here only 3 numbers, minus 1, 0, 1. Now here minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 2 3 4, minus 3. Now for all the things the mapping is only for single number. For 0 it is 0. Now for all these positive numbers the mapping is 1. In the real number set we have so many negative numbers, so many positive numbers, but everything involved in only for this, all the negative numbers involved for minus 1 only, and all the positive numbers involved in the mapping with 1 only. Now the remaining numbers are left over. Here range is not equal to codomain. Therefore directly I can say that this is not a onto function. Now 1 1 function means for one element it should have only one number there. For 1 minus 1 also it is 1, for 2 also it is 1. This is about a many to one function, this is not a one to one function. So by seeing this itself we can say that this is not a 1 1 function or onto function. Now let us show this by writing here. Now f from R to R, the domain is also R, codomain is also R. Now 1 1 function. See here, for let x1 x2 belongs to R, that is, let us take minus 3 minus 2 there, f of minus 3 and f of minus 3 is equal to 1, f of minus 2 is equal to, sorry, minus 3 is equal to minus 1, minus 2 is equal to minus 1 here, but minus 3 is not equal to minus 2. If f of x1 is equal to f of x2, this should implies x1 is equal to x2, but here x1 is not equal to x2, therefore it is not 1 1. Now same way we will write for onto function also. For onto, now here see here, f from R to R it is given, function it is, see here, y is equal to minus 1 0 and 1. This y belongs to the set only minus 1 0 and 1. The range is equal to minus 1 0 1. This codomain is equal to R. Therefore range is not equal to codomain. So for y belongs to 3, there does not exist x belongs to R such that f of x is equal to 3. Therefore, f is not onto. Next question is f is from n to n. N to n means natural number set to another natural number set. See here, natural number to natural number. Function it is defined as f of n is equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd and n by 2 if n is even. Now see here, natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 goes on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 goes on. Now see, f from n to n be defined by f of n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd and n by 2 if n is a even number. For all n belongs to n, state whether f is a onto or 1 1 or bijective function. Bijective function means it is 1 1 and an onto function. First we have to check whether the even function is 1 1 and onto or not. Now see here, to prove that it is a 1 1 function, see we have to select different cases because n can be both the numbers are odd numbers or both the numbers can be even numbers or either one of the number can be odd or even. So in all cases we have to check whether it is a 1 1 function or not, and then we have to go for onto function. Now for 1 1 function, now case 1. Now see here, let us take both numbers. If it is odd number, see here, if n is an odd number, let us take n is equal to 1. Now it is an odd number, so we have to go here. Now it is 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 2 by 2 equal to 1. Now take n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2 even number, so here I have to go, so it is 2 by 2, this is equal to 1. Now for n is equal to 1 also it goes to the mapping 1. For n is equal to 2 also it goes to the mapping 2. By seeing this itself we can guess whether it is a 1 1 or not. Now check for another one number. Let us take n is equal to 3 and n is equal to 4. N is equal to 4 means 4 by 2, the answer is 2. Now n is equal to 3 means 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 2, again here it is 2. So for 3 it is 2, for 4 also it is 2. See, then 5 automatically it will be 3, for 6 also it is 3. For 1 we have 2 pre-images, for 2 we have 2 pre-images, for 3 we have 2 pre-images. Likewise each and every natural number in this codomain will involve in mapping, will be having 2 pre-images there. Therefore range will be equal to codomain, so we can say that this is onto function. Check whether it is a 1 1 function. For one element, only one element should be there, one image should be there in the codomain. Here both the numbers are having one as a image. By seeing this itself we can say that it is not a 1 1 function. Now whether we are getting the same in this calculation also or not, let us check. Now case 1, x1 x2 both are odd. In case 1, let us take that both the numbers are odd numbers. Now f of x1 is equal to x1 plus 1 by 2, because odd number means n plus 1 by 2. Now f of x2 also n x2 plus 1 by 2. Condition is f of x1 is equal to f of x2, that is x1 plus 1 by 2 equal to x2 plus 1 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. X1 plus 1 is equal to x2 plus 1. This implies x1 is equal to x2. When both are odd numbers, I got the answer x1 is equal to x2. Now take the case 2. x1, x2 are even. F of x1 is equal to even number means n by 2 we have to take. So x1 by 2, f of x2 is equal to x2 by 2. Now f of x1 is equal to f of x2, that is x1 by 2 equal to x2 by 2. This implies x1 is equal to x2. In case 2 also I got x1 is equal to x2. Now take case 3. x1 is odd, x2 is even. F of x1, odd number means n plus 1 by 2, therefore x1 plus 1 by 2. Even number x2 is even means this is x2 by 2. Now f of x1 is equal to f of x2 means x plus 1 by 2 is equal to x2 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. x1 plus 1 is equal to x2. Now this we can write x1, you take it to next side. So 1 is equal to x2 minus x1. x2 is a even number, x1 is a odd number. So difference between the odd number is 1. Here I didn't get x1 is equal to x2. Now go for case 4. x1 is even, x2 is odd. F of x1 is equal to x1 by 2. F of x2 is equal to x2 plus 1 by 2. So f of x1 is equal to f of x2. So x1 by 2 is equal to x2 plus 1 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. This also we can write it as x1 minus x1 minus x2 is equal to 1. In this case also I got difference between the even number. x1 is even, so even number and the odd number is 1. In case 1 and case 2 we got x1 is equal to x2. Here also x1 is equal to x2. But in the case 3 and 4 this is different, that is difference between the even number and odd number is equal to 1. So all the cases we didn't get the same answer, so we can say that my f is not 1. Therefore f is not 1. Now let us go for onto function. Now go for onto function. For onto function also let us take case 1. See, for onto function, for each element we have two pre-images there. One is an odd number and another is an even number. So we have to say for odd number also, for even number also. So first case, let me take it x is a odd number. Odd number general format how to write is x is equal to 2n minus 1. This is a general format. You apply any number here, n is equal to 1. So 2 minus 1 will be 1. 2 apply here. 2 into 2 4, 4 minus 1 will be 3. So this is a general form of the odd number. If x is equal to 2n minus 1, then f of 2n minus 1 is equal to, for odd number it is n plus 1 by 2 format, n plus 1 by 2 format. So 2n minus 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled, equal to 2n by 2, that is equal to n. Now for odd number I got the answer as n, that is f of 2n minus 1 is equal to n. Now case 2, x is a even number. Even number general format is x is equal to 2n. So f of 2n is equal to even n by 2 format. So n is 2n by 2 here. So these two will get cancelled. Answer is n. So in odd number also I got the answer n. For even number also I got the answer n. That is, for odd number also answer is n. For even number also answer is n. Therefore this proves in both the odd number and the even number. So for n belongs to capital N, there exists odd number 2n minus 1 and even number 2n that belongs to the capital N, such that f of 2n minus 1 is equal to n and f of 2n also equal to n. Therefore f is onto. So at last what we can conclude is f is not a 1 but it is a onto. Therefore at last we can conclude that f is not bijective function.